Gully spirit visit LA Lewis. Bless up to my viewers and my subscribers them. I hope everybody having a blessed and a wonderful day. Now my viewers and my subscribers, remember, in everything you do, always put God first. In every and any situation, just always remember to call upon God. Always remember to pray. Because a prayer day keep the devil away. Now my viewers and my subscribers, LA Lewis said Gully spirit no stop visit him. People, we have all of this come up people. But before we get into all of this, I would appreciate if you all would leave a like on this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if it's a new viewer's first time on my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so whenever we drop new content, you will be first to be notified. Share the content and leave your opinion down below in the comment section. Make we jump straight into the video.
Gully vex right now people. Gully no like where you go on. And you just don't like where you go on. Now people, Gully is a superstar. Real superstar. Whether they like it or not like it people. Gully a superstar. People, I'm a bed people. And weeks now Gully up a dream of people and they refuse to talk about this. But at the end of the day people, more of a sleep. Good people more of a sleep with my conscience free. When I know the emperor with the people, I'm not to hold nothing to our sugar people. I'm not to hold nothing to our sugar. And people, this is stupidness, this is the height of stupidness. You understand? Because, you see, more time people, the hype thing don't make it. You understand? And the reason why the rich will always get richer and the poor will always get poorer, in a whole heap of case, not all case, but majority case, the rich will always get richer and the poor will always get poorer. Because enough poor people like to look hype when them poor. People, I am the emperor. And certain things I'm going to tell them I need no help. But now I go, but I need to help people. Worse, if I find out, say, me act like me don't need to help people, I'm going to find out I need to help. Like I'm saying, yo, no, I'm sorry about that, but I need to help you now. Now, Gully is a big superstar, people. You understand? Gully career was crushed by a woman. I tell you, woman crushed a lot of emperors and them crushed a lot of kings over the years. Gully vexed with his wife because she was the one who said Gully beat her up and abuse her and make Gully really get him visa take away and get banned from the USA people. It was started from the first cocaine woman people. I have to go back in the woman who have AIDS people. You see the woman who have AIDS, as she first started, then Gully wife people mash up him career. You understand people? Big up Jacqueline Hunt people. You understand? Big up Nico, Gully son people. But if you can't handle certain things, don't afraid for ask help. Now people, when I did when I tell people said Gully is my friend, I produce song with Gully, me and Dr. Love would do a war with Gully and it was promotional strategy. So we and Gully behind the stage people was always staging war epic. You understand? For entertain you, the people. And it was entertaining because you people got a lot of entertaining out of me and Gully Ninja Man and Dr. Love. War. Social media war. And me and Gully Dr. Love and Ninja Man, we got a lot of publicity out of people. And them time we make good money for social media. You understand? So people, Gully Bop no happy people, and about 4 to 5 nights now, Gully Bop dreaming people. And some I forgot talk people. I don't know the Emperor, me communicate with the dead. Whether I would like it or not, the Emperor, I communicate with the dead. Some might say me the devil, true, me communicate with the dead, but I bet a devil. So, the Almighty God is a spirit, people. I'm going to tell you what Gully Bop tell me last night and night before last night, people. You understand? So, I'm more going to sleep, people. I'm more going to sleep, and Gully Bop not fear nag my people, because Gully Bop not stop dreaming, people. And I can't sleep in peace. 4 nights for the straight now. People, the man at the fridge have burn up. Gully Bop not used to fridge, people. Gully Bop not used to fridge. And the man body in the fridge have burn up, people. You understand? The man say me turn blue in the fridge, people. I don't know what blue means, people, but Gully Bop say me turn blue in the fridge. And it should have happened, people. Because even the producer that produce Gully Bop and make millions of dollars for Gully Bop, even them should have come and said, alright, put a thing towards Gully Bop funeral. And another joke, people. Our people have laughed off a serious thing. All of the producers, them, who make millions of dollars for Gully Bop, could have come up and said, listen me, we have put a look at 20,000 Jamaican dollar. Because people for bury Gully Bop. It's not big money, people. At 20,000 US dollar and Gully Bop bury people. At 20,000 US dollar people and Gully Bop bury. That is about probably 2.8 Jamaican $1 million people. That is no money, people of such. I'm not going to say no money, people like the people like myself, yeah. I like the producers, them who make millions of dollars for motherfucker people. Gully Bop video them from him dead, a sore upon the internet. Who control Gully Bop publishing. So people make money off of Gully Bop while Gully Bop dead, people. Look at one Gully Bop video what was 25,000 people. Now the video gone over 1 million views per YouTube. Several of Gully Bop video people strive. So that means some money coming to the people them who get the content of a Gully Bop video people. Ask Dr. Love him to tell you. So people, I cry water. Gully Bop people. It's a wickedness them do to Gully Bop. People, you can't blame Gully Bop picking them in the people because they don't have the money. But you see the high people, because remember, you know, when I first said I was going to bury Gully Bop people, I'm going to go up a Gully Bop place up a Grand Spend people, and at 2 days straight people, we make up they look like Christmas people. You understand? Everybody drink a liquor people. You understand? Big up Grand Spend, the real place. You understand? And the Grand Spend people, them, a back Gully Bop thing people, but some family chip in and hype up themselves and said, damn, we bury Gully Bop, then I need no help. People will tell us something. Remember, I said Gully Bop not for doing no autopsy because a natural cause kill Gully Bop. With the checks are the AIDS kill Gully Bop people, but remember, I said him left the woman before she catch the AIDS. Remember, I said Gully Bop left the woman before she catch the AIDS people. You understand? So I know the AIDS kill Gully Bop because if the AIDS kill Gully Bop people, him wife would have AIDS. But him wife don't have AIDS people, so we find out say people is the sickness of Gully Bop they have people and never they take care of themselves people. You understand? What Gully Bop was enough. Let me tell you about man people. Man afraid of hospital. Woman will love go take injection needle. Man will afraid of hospital people. So man love go like say what bother with a night need hospital people. So what's here? See my wife the people. Papa Jesus should have take 200,000 pill people. I if me for take one of them pill people, God will come. I force me people. Injection needle people. When a bad as me be as the emperor, me face 10 gunmen and 200 elephant people and 5 lion people. But when the doctor do something joke with a needle, before the needle reach people, what murder doctor don't do it. Yeah. Woman would just say, yo, joke me here, so woman love take injection needle people. We the man them 8 hospital. That's why you see me invest so much money people in a herbalism thing for that me no go hospital. I'm afraid of needle people. Yes, and every man, if you see one man pan the film so was say him love needle. And that was Gully Bop thing people. Gully Bop no like hospital too tough. You understand? We the man afraid that. I don't know what on the phone. Any man tell me say them love that niggle, I lie them I tell. Me not forget that crystal ball. Woman brave for that man. Woman brave for that man, people. Woman come like some little puppy one name some of them name poodle and some of them name shih tzu. Them local, but them not back from nothing. Woman not afraid of niggle, we afraid of niggle. So that is one of the reasons, people, why Gully Bop sickness get out of hand, people. Because Gully Bop was trying to fight it without going to the hospital, people. So people, Gully Bop never dead broke of such, but Gully Bop certainly never dead from hungry people and starvation. Me can tell you that, people. Ask Juby and Juby will tell you. Yes, and ask him son Nika and him son Nika will tell you. But all of the producers them will collect the money for Gully Bop publishing them. Put the family them aside, man. You understand? Because at the end of the day, people, I'm done with it, people. I go a grand spend about 5 times. I go check Gully Bop family them. The brother them say them are going to deal with me. Then the others of family them say them need me to intervene. Them will bury Gully Bop, people. Remember, people, Gully Bop would have buried a long time. And that is why Gully Bop spirit not stop come to me, people. Because Gully Bop know me by now. I was the first one before family and anybody else will run go down to the hospital when Gully Bop a dead people. When them tell me say Gully Bop is dying, people. Even when the newspaper say Gully Bop was dead, people, Gully Bop never dead, people. And when you see me dead till Gully Bop, they put Gully Bop in the thing, people, and Gully Bop dead the day, people. And then put him in the thing 4 hours after. I'm going to follow Gully Bop go to the funeral mall, people. You understand, people? Gully Bop 9 night. I was the one who promoted Gully Bop 9 night, people. And I don't do it for hype, people. So long me not even call Gully Bop name, people. So nobody can say me I do this thing for hype. Who are bury Gully Bop 3 more than hype? You know that I say, but who are bury Gully Bop? Me know that I say, oh, I 3 more than hype. Make him go bury Gully Bop. Make him well bury Gully Bop. People, Gully Bop is a star and Gully Bop was my friend. I remember telling about the Emperor, people. Ask anybody who know me. In death, I am your friend. And in living, I am your friend. That's the way the Emperor real. Where you believe everywhere I go all over the world, people love me so. Because I'm not fake, people. I'm not fake, people. And I don't like where I go about Gully Bop, people. Because I think about it to people. I say, why Gully Bop take so long for bury? I don't know money are the problem. But I don't know money are the problem with Gully Bop bury people. But the family, them people, certain of the family, them cannot bury the man. Or act like them can bury the man. Big up Gully Bop's son, them. Big up Nico, because I talked to Nico the other day. And I tell Nico, say, Nico, me will deal with the thing. Nico say, the family, them say them are going to do it. And I say, Nico, listen to me. Put over the things to me. So big up Nico, because I'm going to check Nico down at Walton, people. And Nico are good youth people. And enough of them want to hold Nico out of thing, people. They want to hide Nico out of thing, people. Like they want to take over thing from Nico. And them can't angle it. Them feel left Nico, make Nico and we angle the thing, people. Because Nico are the uncle son of me 100%. I now say the other pitney them and a Gully Bop pitney, people. But Nico are the uncle one of me 100% can say a Gully Bop pitney that. The man talk like Gully Bop. The man favor Gully Bop. The man DJ like Gully Bop. I think the man even a better artist than Gully Bop. I think Nico a better artist than Gully Bop. And Gully Bop a bad artist. But people, and that shows that Jamaica not even have no real producers. If me this still a deal with producing thing, people, me that go voice Nico long time and put out 10 hits with Nico. Yes, people, I'm still there. I mean, the maroon government business. I mean, a spiritual thing, people. That's why I know that Jamaica don't really have the producer. Because I hear Nico sing, people, and the man bad like, and a matter of fact, the man better than his father. And his father did real superstar. Anybody say Gully Bop is a superstar? A bad mind. People, Gully Bop is in the ice and Gully Bop don't like the ice, people. Gully Bop say he must freeze, people. He say he must freeze, him don't like the ice. People, I don't know what to tell you, you know. But People, if you can't handle the funeral, I will assist with it. I will assist. Me telling her again. You see how the 9 night they go on good. And because the emperor take part in the 9 night. Everybody sees the emperor and Gully back brother promote the 9 night. You understand? But the other family them what people, let me tell you something. Me see my boy that dead and he be richer than Gully Bop. And people put up all GoFunding to help bury him the real way. That my boy what crashed at the Kiara Canada. Joe, what name again? People, what name again? And him coming at the shot and coming at shot and hold up a movie. What name again? And the mother is bigger than Gully Bop. And I see him wife, although they could afford the funeral, still go up on TV, national TV. What name again, people? Rachel, what name again? What name again, man? Teddy Brookshot. Yeah, Teddy Brookshot. See that? So she's on a lie, me tell. People, look how big Teddy Brookshot was, bigger than Gully Bop. And Gully and Teddy Brookshot wife and family them still reach out to people to get donation and get donation for Teddy Brookshot and foundation, everything. So people, them people that know, I don't know, I power kill you know. I care not. Gully Bop is my friend, people. Gully Bop is my friend and the man that dream people. 4 nights on the street now. And me never want to do it. You can't never see that. I want you somebody see me. Emperor Gully Bop, oh Gully Bop, and you not tell me. And I say, you know, say, and me forgot to Gully Bop dead. People, and me forgot to Gully Bop dead. Because remember, the people, when Bogle is dead, people, we get together with bright light. You understand? And Tanya them get together and the whole away and Bogle bury. Not that me put Gully Bop alongside Bogle, you know, but because Bogle dance and Gully Bop a sing and DJ.
Just relax. I guarantee that this will work. The photographer shrugged doubtfully, annoyed that things seem to be spiraling.
People me vex. Whole heap of people vex. And Gully Bop a ball same up on the freezer too long now, people.
Get into position, everyone. Let's
And people, a long time I spirit the dream so much. I have a whole heap of spirit of dream people. And I'm going to check them, look at them graveside people. But right now, Gully Bop say more come out of the place immediately too long. And then a whole heap of money for bury Gully Bop people. You understand? So people, if you can't afford the funeral, you just tell no man. First thing I go check Nico the other day, I say Nico, I could bury Gully Bop in a 2 different casket, a glass casket, or we make him body. Because Gully Bop was a hype of people. Nobody hype like Gully Bop. I want somebody to say hype like Gully Bop people is a boy named Black Her. You know Black Her people was sing in my Macadam and sing the big song people. Yeah man, Black Her ranking people. Uncle him alone me say hype like Gully Bop people. Gully Bop are the boss you sing people. People me don't know how wickedness people. Gully Bop, remember the people, the Gully Bop they get big people are 50 cent. They want the things with Gully Bop people, but through the management them people are going to let them each the time. That's why I tell some people I have to go walk back Chilean record fully, you know. I have to go rise back Chilean record fully people because you have to have a music industry people or when certain superstar dead people, the music industry chip in and take over all expense. When artists get robbed, the music industry provide lawyer for the artists who get robbed people. So that's why I'm going to set up Chilean record publishing distribution. I'm going to work me talk back fully people. Because I'm going to the spiritual realms now people but people that might God say me for work me for fly back Chilean records. So people for the feel like me for fly back Chilean record people on the talk. Because at the end of the day people, this is wickedness people. And I don't care. And people, anybody who can say lie me tell, only can call my program right now. My phone number can see the people in my bed with the people. The phone number is 508-4448. 508-4448. How wicked is going people. Yeah, son? Cause people, me, Dr. Love, Ninja Man people, we get the longest social media show ever in the world, people, the highest ratings, everything. And we sit on our planet out, people, and all when you believe that we are Gully up in a war, and we are Dr. Love them in a serious war. And entertainment we do it for people, to make them feel good. Yes, and because we have to entertain at the time, because that is what entertainment is all about. For sit down and make a good show for them fans. A show that is believable. You understand? So I don't know Dr. Love now end up a star or a movie. You understand? People, Gully Bop wife, she mash up the man's career. So she and she will have enough of Gully Bop publishing to people. So she herself should have buried Gully Bop long time. I'm not talking about the cokehead, I'm not talking about the one who have AIDS. Because she have to buy a pill right now to keep up her AIDS body, people. She have to buy a whole heap of pills to keep up her AIDS body. So she can't afford to bury Gully Bop people. You understand? Put the hype aside and put the social media thing aside. A reality with our people. So I don't want nobody call her name tomorrow and say, but oh, she can't find the money, people, she cannot find the money. You have to accept the truth, people. She cannot find the money. You understand? Because she worry about fear life right now. If the medication them done, if the AIDS will kill her. So she can't find the money. So the door, so I want to take on the motor for the woman there. But Gully Bop wife, who mash up Gully Bop, she should have find the money, people, and bury Gully Bop. You understand? Since you say, you don't need the emperor for bury Gully Bop. People remember, you know? Gully Bop with a very long time, people. But don't link Bright Light already, people. You understand? I'm link Perry already, people. You understand? But through one at a time, Nico, that a Gully Bop son, people, him work with a funeral parlor. You understand? So I say, alright, me go left it be. But people, Gully Bop start. Call me now, people, I'm a dream. 4 nights per straight, people. Yeah, son. Even for the movie the Dr. Love gonna make, he gonna start good. They are real actor, people. JJ, big up yourself. But people, I don't know people. I big up Gully Bop mother, people, because the woman must have ball as a boy. Do it for you, Gully Bop mother. Yeah, son. Because I'm sure people say if them just come out publicly and say, listen me, we the family can't really afford to bury Gully Bop. You understand? Because remember, you know, the cheapest funeral for Gully Bop, you have to pay about $2.10 million, people. You understand? Because you want Gully Bop go down good. You can't do you don't want to bury Gully Bop, you can't bury Gully Bop like some local punk. Gully Bop have to bury people, glass castic. You understand? If you can't give marching band, you give marching band. But if you can't give marching band, people, you have to call Boom Boom and Irie Hype and them youth there for come with them and some big selector people to play Gully Bop song and trailer and them thing that. So Gully Bop have to bury people. That's the way I was planning to bury Gully Bop people. So if I eat that way, I plan to bury Gully Bop people, you can't tell me. I reach out to the Sun people, you can call Nico and ask Nico. I reach out to Andrew Blacks, that are Gully Bop brother, you understand? But the others of family, them through them say, them no want nobody say, Gully Bop get sponsor funeral. Is that a sponsor funeral? Are you a friend? I'm friend of him. You understand? Are the maroon government to bury Gully Bop? If you know what people give me the praise, we also have the Nyanke Pong maroon government to bury Gully Bop. Because I want to talk to the government and say, listen me, Gully Bop was a maroon, him they have a maroon documents, can you bury him? Them are going to say, yes man, because I want to with the Nyanke Pong maroon government people. Them look out for anybody with the maroon government documents, and Gully Bop did have the maroon documents. Gully Bop did have the maroon documents, people, so just say, say what want to give LLU praise. The Nyanke Pong sovereign global tribal nation territory, the government would have more than bury Gully Bop people, so if me not bury Gully Bop people, myself personally, the Nyanke Pong sovereign global tribal nation territory government would bury Gully Bop people. Remember when the chief out of St. Thomas, when they killed the chief and his wife, and we go to deal with things to the chief. And people big up the chief, I was close to the chief, but we are closer to Gully Bop. I sponsor a whole heap of funeral people from know myself. Ask anybody who know me. People all the bury foreign and call me and say, boy, you know, bro, I'm going to send money to foreign to help bury people. So why we would bury? And as much as Dr. Love piss off with certain things, Dr. Love himself people would have sent money towards Gully funeral people. So the Gully no shot from him real friend and forget bury people. But the family them people, just let me tell you more time, family bill you and family broke you down even in the grave. And I can't say grave, even in the ice box. When is Gully set up? When is Gully funeral? And remember people, when Gully 9 night, when them tell him brother, the police and tell him brother say, them now, you know, and me go with the police station people and go drop a piece of food for my police friend them up there and tell them, say, listen me, when you can't look off Gully thing and Gully that. You understand? Because that's so it have go people. You have to make sure you say the police have a piece of food in the pocket. You understand? That's music you can play for the whole night. Yes, people. And the 9 night go on good people. I will never have to depend on the family to keep the 9 night people. You understand? Them are going to have to go there. So people will stop making Gully up on a movie star, man. Stop making Gully up on a superstar, man. Gully up a superstar people. Gully up a real superstar people. And Gully up don't need a family for bury me, tell you that straight up. So family on the cool off on the effort. You understand? Big up Jacqueline Hunt, because I think Jacqueline Hunt says she's going to take part tonight to people. But me don't know what go on. All the Gully Bob fans, please like and share the show. And people, when you cut out to the bad mind thing, make enough of the bloggers them make go no content. People, when you like and share my show, because you know how long my thing stop at 90,000 people. And more than people, please and thanks, like and share my page, LA Lewis 7 at facebook.com. You understand? Because them I try hard to take away my content them from my page, people. So like and share my page because you know so me give you the real news, people, because everybody else fear for going to the real news, people. You understand? See that? If I never me, you know, would know so earthquake I go lick Jamaica. If I never me, you know, would know so Jamaica they go flood out. And the emperor telling the things them time after time, because when me lay down in my bed, people, and the Almighty God, na Yankee Pong people, the Almighty God of all gods, na Yankee Pong, give me the vision, them people, I'm going to come back and come tell you now, people as the messenger of God, as the son of God, when the Almighty Gaia, the ever-present mother of the planet, when Gaia tell me, say, emperor, go tell the people and say, this will happen. Yes, man. Some people go live up a ball of water, people. The man say him cold people. The man will go back to the to Gaia people. The man will go back to the dirt people. The man will go back to the universe people. Take the man out of the fridge. How wicked or no wicked. If you don't know someone can't do something, someone can't do it, and the argument done. And I know enough of tomorrow I talk about, oh, how you more the hype of fight for Barry Gully Bop. And I fight for Barry Gully Bop people. Because I see me give them chance the other day. Gully Bop, a ball say his body is in the fridge too long. Let me tell you the people, spirit talk to people. Not for even at least 2 know what the show was supposed to know what I talk about. When the family never dream on it and tell them say something happened. And when they go to the graveyard, this is the same thing I go on. When the family never dream on and tell them say them want some clothes yet. And when they go down and find them naked down at the place. Spirit do those things, people. How when the hungry people on the planet don't believe in our ancestors. Gully Bop is now our ancestor, people. Because I mean the spiritual realms. Ancestor is when they God in the spiritual realms, people. So Gully Bop is now one of our ancestors, people. And the ancestor Gully Bop a ball say him too cold. He may turn blue. You ever put chicken in the fridge with people and chicken in the fridge too long? I said, you know, see the chicken in the fridge turn blue, people, ice. So people don't respect Gully Bop no, man. And people, all of the people who call it the publishing of a Gully Bop song them. Yeah, I mean, I know, you know. Nico need to get things underneath manners, because them hide Nico out of the thing, people. And then Gully Bop wife and mash him up, people. Remember Gully Bop wife mash him up, you know? And me said the wedding that even the real, I don't know. But that she mash up Gully Bop career, people. She and the AIDS by the one people mash up Gully Bop career. And people, Gully Bop said, tell me, say, vex for the two of them. You understand? Just tell you what, the ancestors them, because we don't know me communicate with the ancestors them. We don't know so the emperor communicate with the ancestors. Gully Bop tell him, say, him no want none of two of them in funeral. Because, and the wife and the real wife, and the AIDS by the one, and the people. Gully Bop say him don't want the wife in funeral, and him don't want the AIDS by the one in funeral. Me just tell you what the ancestors tell me. Me tell you what Gully Bop tell my people. So, at the end of the day, when me go back in the spiritual realms tonight, people, and go start just know, Gully Bop can't come tell me, say, oh, you not telling people them? 4 days later, I tell people them. Gully Bop, I tell them, I came, I saw, and I left the message. You understand? So, and Gully Bop telling mother, say, him love her. You understand? And I'm sorry for all of the trouble and heartache and gear. So, Mama, I'm going to tell you what Gully Bop tell me to tell you. I'm sorry for all of the heartache and trouble I'm gear. And in fact, him couldn't make things better. You understand? But he said, Nico, to take up things from where he left off. And that's something else, I'm not real producer in that Jamaica, you know? Because if I did still have the producing people, a 10 song would have with Delco Boy, the Nico, Gully Bop's son. I was there, man. And Gully Bop, Nico come out of the funeral parlor thing and go take up him father whip. Go take up him father business. Nico, go take up your father business. Your father is a millionaire. You understand? Your father sell countless amount of records worldwide. And through the producer them dishonest. And Gully Bop was a man just say move, move, move. That's why when there's an artist, people, you have to have a manager. Or you have to have a team around you. If you get robbed, like what Gully Bop get people, but Gully Bop sell millions of dollars of records, people. And Gully Bop videos them, they will go viral right now, people. But who's collecting Gully Bop publishing while Gully Bop can't get money for bury? Greetings.
Emperor, me there and watch you, right?
Yes.
I true you talking to the man, say no want them people there funeral and them man arrange for truth, you know?
Yes.
You not tell no lie, truth you tell.
Queen, me not need me and them people in a war and an argument. You understand? Me not even know about them people because it's a IRMs, me up on our politicalness, me up on spiritual thing. But Gully Bop dream and tell me say no one of them to them funeral. You understand? Him know what the so-called wife can say it's a fake funeral, it's a fake wedding, and him say I forgot ask a brother named Jube, I don't know. I forgot who named Jube, and him say Nico know about it too. So all I'm publishing and things supposed to angle by Nico. Him say.
That's true you tell man, me sit down and watch you, I say me have to call you because you don't know the people them always take you for joke. But your and sister then show me say truth you tell him very upset and sad right now.
Because Gully Bop, how long Gully Bop there now? 1 month of that now?
I'm not too sure when in the drop out of your program. I watch and see when your talks and drop out.
Yeah, some of the people, how long Gully Bop there now, people? Because all me checks are Gully Bop bury already, you know.
Me too, my friend, when me hear say I'm not buried yet because I dep on YouTube and check everywhere typing in funeral and now see nothing.
Because the last time I checked YouTube, somebody must have posted up something like it was something Gully Bop like him bury already. So when Gully Bop a dream from what they dream, what me just say just you know to my friend and what me say one dream kind of come so much time and every night me come at the same night. Every time after 1 o'clock in the night, it come like say Gully Bop come check me.
Wow. Because he knows say you will come out and talk about it. Anyway, about 2 weeks ago me I watch. I think it was in son or in brother, so somebody contact them and said them out take care of the funeral. So me they thinking bury already.
But it shouldn't lead on to that. Can you remember from Gully first dead, who started taking the funeral thing? No me start take it on. So and the family them come in and say, oh, we don't want nobody bury Gully. We can't do it. We're rich. And I say, oh, this Father God.
But it look like so no money now come through. When I hear the man say one person call and say he'll take care of it and know if he hear you say him no bury it. I say me I go call him probably because it look like them just talk too much and want the help but they don't want to look away and know the man body sit down there can't bury.
Listen me. I say Teddy Brookshot were rich. And Teddy Brookshot crashing a multi-million-dollar vehicle, a theme vehicle. And Teddy Brookshot wife still put up GoFundMe and one bag of thing for help bury Teddy Brookshot and she herself could have buried Teddy Brookshot. I said enough top people. I wish I'd hide some of them missing that again. And they put up GoFundMe again for one bag of thing. So we already know some Gully family that rich. So no, you can't make the Bible said don't make what the Bible says about shamefaced people? Never let the foot of pride get in your way. And my granny say, shamefaced dog, I got name dirty pudding.
Yeah, because they say no gun for GoFundMe, nobody enough put up GoFundMe, then can manage.
Let me tell you something, when people can manage funeral, it would have keep already. And if it don't keep already, they would have start put up whole heap of banners and one bag of thing. Not even one banner I see put up for Gully until now. I'm for them say, listen me, I will sponsor the banner them and one bag of thing. But at the end of the day, them say them can't do it.
But like how you say I visit you now in your vision, maybe you have to go check out what I want, because maybe you need your help and him want go get him funeral sorted out.
I know if Gully need me help. Yes, he said the man need help. The man come, the man antagonize me in my dream now. And she means a man who always go with the spirit them there, and means a man who go dig up spirit and kick spirit out of people's place. So you know, so me come link, and in the note to come, I say, Gully they done get a ring from me already, but him get the maroon documents them. So him already know so me's a spiritual man. So him come check me.
But my God, you know something just come up in my spirit. I don't know if I say it because this show you have to go back down.
Yes, man.
Something Monday night at me yard, you know, but I don't know if I should wait till tomorrow when you go on live to call you about that because this is Gully back there.
What I'm telling you yard last night?
Well, it's like Saturday evening, me lay down, Monday evening.
You see, you know, you say the Emperor of people business, and you just, but anyway, what go on Monday night?
Emperor, but over you alone, me can't talk them something. You want the rest of people, then call me mad. Because they don't know nothing about ancestor.
Yeah, choting, yeah. Yeah, choting them people and don't know nothing about ancestral. That's why they got dead for broke, they got broke poor.
So as me there talk, it come in my spirit because me don't call you about it when you at me, you know, but me say no, me no want bad there with you. But just as we start now, it just come to me. So I lay down upstairs in my bed early Monday night. And like the ancestor then tell me so me if get up and go in my backyard go light a fire. And you know how foreign we live, so we not me live at Toronto, so me not allow to go light fire in a backyard, you understand?
Oh, Canada,
so
yeah.
When the ancestor them tell me so for go in the backyard go light the fire, me they have a big bag of coal car when me ready me hide and light the fire. So me say you know what? Me have a barbecue grill in my backyard, so me go throw some coal and light a fire and put some cardboard, because I don't know why they want me go light fire for them go call, but you know right away you go fire truck come and me go in a jail. Anyway, we don't know so the ancestor now go send we for do nothing if we go get in a trouble. So I get up and walk in my backyard and take up a bag of coal now and say me I go light the fire, and as me I go step is like the spirit say look down, and when I look down at ground I was then somebody throw one dead bird in my backyard. It's like then take out the belly of the bird and throw the carcass in the backyard. Up till now me I talk to you the bird today. No animal refuse to eat it or touch it. No feather, no drop of ground. So me know say it's a spiritual work then try.
Alright. So listen me now. Me know that chick them man. That you run business, don't it?
Yeah, I cook from my house on Fridays.
Alright, so listen me. That you see.
I don't say nothing. Alright, go on.
When by no send you don't call me if in your business they don't want me send on you. But what kind of woman this man do man can
No, me don't tell you.
but you call me in your business they tell me say you don't want me chat nothing. Now what do you man? What you call me in your business for?
No, I want you to talk about me that go further tell you the story, but say what you going to say first and then me tell you what.
That's why I tell you said that is an all-time over chick. That is do most neighbor do them thing there. Our man where run competition with business what it is. Anytime you see a bird and it in a yard and it guts and everything already. So what you have to do now, because if you once touch the bird then remember your business and you mash up and you start get maga. You understand? That are all time.
Sister tell me not to touch it, then tell me no, because me that go throw in the fire and burn it, but then say no, don't
no,
touch
if you ever once touch that, you just goose get cooked. All your business mash up. A regular them do it, man. If you see it go in a yard and you see dead puss underneath a car or dead puss in the outdoor, don't touch it. It's an all time chick. Them do it with puss and them do it with bird.
Yes. And when me do a video, when me shine the light on you, my sister them already take out the belly spiritual me where then take out the belly and God do the work and stuff. So me know them something there, but I never know people are foreign do them something. Yeah,
my girl, listen me, you're mad, man. If you check the science work at Jamaica, let me tell you what science work enough. You see England, you see Canada, you see a place named Cayman, and you see a place named St. Martin, and what the other one name again? Not even 80 work science like St. Martin and Cayman. And you see a place where them call now name Europe. Them specialize in a war. The way I believe me so rich. England and Europe, me get most of my money from me because dark skin maroon, have said to myself good. Majority of my money come from Europe because them white people there. When they spend money for work science, and when they spend money for fix themselves. So listen, me tell you about that now. Listen, Lagos, listen me, man. That bird, the way you do, buy some sea salt and make sure you throw that sea salt there. Go exactly over it, and throw the sea salt. If you throw the sea salt, throw about 2 bags of sea salt upon him. You understand?
Alright, so fully covered it with sea salt, the entire body fully covered it with sea salt.
Then you take up get a black bag. It have to be a black bag, you can't use a clear bag, you. So what you gonna do? Yeah, because you go blind the spirit. You understand? Because the salt already go cramp the spirit. That's why you see one time them tell us if you go feed the ancestors, don't put salt in the food and don't put pepper in the food. So what you gonna do now? You gonna throw this salt all over him, 2 bags of salt. You understand? And then you get a black rubbish bag and then you just tie it. Make sure it tie it, don't just hold it because you don't want the spirit escape back. You understand? Yeah, and go throw that far from your yard. Nobody carry it in your car, Just if you have rubbish pan out your gate?
Yeah, man, me have a big rubbish pan I front.
Alright, carry it and go drop it at the rubbish pan and then you carry a copper kind and then you throw the rubbish pan foot or you throw it outside the copper kind. So you pay the ancestors them for cramp the spirit. Because you have to pay the ancestors them. And you can, if you disbelieve me, when you don't listen me, man, go and check out what is the spiritual purpose of sea salt. Go up on YouTube and YouTube will tell you. So that's why when to watch Duppy they also use salt. Usually some spiritual people go charge a big money for this, but me the man, me no take money from people for certain things. I know say I go help them. But if you have a blood clot touch the bird, then remember me tell you, everybody on the show I go hear about you.
Emperor, can I go downstairs and turn on my camera and show you what me in my house Friday morning? The kitchen burned down, my house nearly burned down Friday morning. And I know when me talk then something me them talk about a joke and we set up. Can I turn on my video camera?
Yeah man, turn on the camera, but me don't tell you already we got my girl. If you know them other things.
That's why when me telling us say nothing, I tell me that go tell us say my kitchen catch a fire Friday morning and me cook when you ask me if me do business in my house and not stop me never want, but me did want tell us say yes so.
But me already know say you do business. from you tell me say it's a bird, and it cause anytime you do business in your house, that what people do know, that are one of the biggest over chick. If I do business in your house, what them do, them guts bird, I have to look, you say. Are you lucky, say I never bury them? You lucky, say I never bury them, bury that bird there. Make you could find him. Yeah, man, see that people like shit tell. Yeah, man, I see the kitchen, man.
Make the people then see my kitchen and see my stove burn down fire truck so I can't use it again. See all of them, everything burn up, you see it?
Alright, so if you believe so fire alone gonna rot and lick you, you go.
So now they can't say we plan this. No, this bird. You want me to go to the door go show you the bird too?
Yes man, go and go show me the bird. People, me tell the people. So if you know so me the baddest thing pan. Hear me, 99% of who call me, I never know yet, me never plan nothing yet to nobody. Where you believe I make so much money?
About the guy, me never remember about the bird. While me talk, see you see air fire, Baba, you Rasta man, you see air fire, we catch a fire in my house.
Yeah man.
See there, so me are going to the backyard now. Turn on the lights, so me go show them the dead bird in the yard. We have Monday and Friday in the kitchen.
Yeah man, I'm also next door neighbor do them thing there. You understand? Our people who that. Yeah, our people who you are the. Yeah man, we see the bird man. Yeah, we see the bird.
See the bird?
Yeah man.
See that bird there in my backyard.
Well guts out. Like with feather upon him.
Then take out the gut.
Yeah, well, with feather.
Yeah.
Alright, mama. So no say no. Yeah man. Alright.
So me give thanks for the reasoning. Me will call you back next time. Me go do what you say to do.
Yeah, boy, you see if you ever touch that bird, like you smell the rat, and you for glad say, out of your front part of your yard a concrete.
Yeah, everywhere concrete.
Alright, so me tell you, say if you glad say, and out of the front part, then bury my your step, and then you go walk over it. You'd have big foot and you'd have sore foot, and when you go to hospital.
Look here,
See that people? Yeah man, see it concrete. Yeah, them you tell them man say I must concrete, so what them do? Them throw it in their backyard.
But look where you see down my doorway. I space salt down my doorway so them can't enter my doorway, you see that?
Alright, so you come like you watch my show regular man.
I know this from Pitney and Jamaica. I be a salt down the front of my back door everywhere.
Alright, so you seal the house, so them throw it in the backyard, cause like it's like a long time now walk for you, but you seal the front door with salt. Nothing can, so them say, hey, she not seal the back. So them throw the board over there.
Couple days ago, one big black pussy try come in my house, and when they catch all the salt, them ball up. Me running here, then yellow.
See me tell you about the puss.
Big black puss, and when I go away the next day and I come home, the puss died the back door and can't come near me. I say, no, open me door and say, come in here. Because Emperor, I have two big sharp cutlass in my house, and I take up the cutlass and I say, I go and splatter your blood and it run down the gully.
Alright, you believe a post that. I said them say the Duppy that post. But anyway.
You see it? So my big, so my higher cutlass and my higher cutlass in the Emperor. Emperor, I have my altar in my house in the Emperor.
Yeah.
I have my whole heap of altar, then make the Emperor.
People bad mind.
See, then the Emperor, so my next cutlass there, now see the issue there, Emperor, I have the altar them set up, I now play with things. You understand?
Yeah, man. Alright, mama. Just go and call upon Nayanke Pong, and you go good and me tell her, say, what you do now? You just get the sea salt and sprinkle over the bud, and it good. But you will go and I'm going back from Gully Baptist, so big up yourself, mama.
Alright, blessed love.
We shall have you.